Hi guys, my name is Cindy Xiaombing. Now we're gonna learn about how to use on and in correctly. I will give you example and explanation. So let's do it. For example, number 1, he is sitting on the chair or he is sitting in the chair. What's the difference? We say in the chair is correct, but we can also say on the chair is something is hanging on the chair. For example, the clothes are on the chair. If we talk about someone who is sitting in the chair, we always say in the chair. Okay, the next example. She is in bed or she is on bed. What's the difference? Yes, that's it. She's in bed. Now let's talk about in bed or on the bed. In bed, that means that someone under the blanket. For example, she lies in bed. We don't say in the bed. It's correct to say in bed. For the on the bed, it means the on the blanket. For example, the cat is on the bed, the girl is on the bed, that's it. The next example, on the internet or in the internet. What's the difference? Yes, that's right. The answer is on the internet. When we describe different ways to connect, we say on the computer or I'm on the internet. We never say in the internet. That's it correct. Well, from the some explanation, let's practice together. The clothes in the chair or on the chair? The answer is on the chair. The next, the cat in bed or on the bed? The answer is on the bed. The next, in summer or on summer? What's correct? Yes, in summer, that's correct. And the next, in the bus or on the bus? What is correct? Yes, on the bus. Okay, for the last, on the weekend or in the weekend? What is correct? Yes, in the weekend.
The prepositions of time at, on, and in describe when something happens, happened, or will happen. What is the difference between at, on, and in? Let's have a look. At is used for a specific time or hour of the day. We say at 8 a.m., at 9 o'clock, at 6:15, at midnight. For example, I get up at 7 o'clock. The movie starts at 8:30. We arrived home at midnight. Look at the first example. I get up at 7 o'clock. What does o'clock mean? O'clock is used when there are no minutes. When the big hand, or the minute hand, is on the number 12. The clock here shows that it is 2 o'clock. O'clock, because there are no minutes. Let's look at the last example. He arrived home at midnight. We say at midnight because midnight is a specific hour. It is 12 o'clock at night. And what is the opposite of midnight? The opposite is midday or noon, which is 12 o'clock during the day. The word afternoon comes from after plus noon, which is after 12. At is also used for a holiday period or festival. We say at Christmas, at Thanksgiving. We're not talking about a specific day. No, we're talking about that period of the year. The examples. They sing carols at Christmas. Did you eat too much at Easter? Come and visit us at Thanksgiving. We use on for specific days. We say on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, on Sunday. Notice how the days of the week always start with a capital letter. Monday is with a capital M, a big M, not a small one. Here are some example sentences. I will visit you on Wednesday. Where were you on Friday? He doesn't work on Sundays. Now, why is there an S at the end of Sunday? It is because we are talking about all Sundays in general and not just this Sunday. He doesn't work on Sundays in general. It is important to note that we do not have an article between the preposition on and the day of the week. We do not say, I will visit you on the Wednesday. No. And we do not say, I will visit you the Wednesday. Again, no. It is possible to say, I will visit you Wednesday, though it is more common to use the preposition on with the day. We also use on with dates. For example, on the 19th, on May 4th, on New Year's Day. All of these are dates. Let's look at some example sentences. His birthday is on March 27th. We open our gifts on Christmas Day. Christmas Day is a specific date. It is the 25th of December or December 25th. So we say on Christmas Day. The final sentence is, the exam is on the 16th. Remember that for the dates we use ordinal numbers. We say the 16th ending in TH. See our video about how to say the date in English. The preposition in is used with months. We say in February, in March, in May, in July. Notice how the months of the year always start with a capital letter. August is with a capital A big A, not a small one. Let's look at some example sentences. My birthday is in January. I'm going on vacation in August. Halloween is in October. We don't mention a specific day, just the month, so we use the preposition in before that month. Now let's look at this. The Brazilian National Day is in September. We use in because we only mention the month. We don't say the day. In September. The Brazilian National Day is on September 7th. Why do we use on? because we're talking about a specific day. It doesn't matter if the month comes first, we still use on because it is a day of the month. The Brazilian National Day is on the 7th of September. Again, we use on because we're talking about a specific day. As you can see, the order of the month and the day is not important, as we are still talking about a specific day. See our video about how to say the date in English. The preposition in is also used with years. We say in 1629, in 1984, in 1999, in 2017. See our video about how to say the year in English. Example sentences. Shakespeare was born. The preposition in is also used with the seasons in English. We say in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn. The seasons are not written with capital letters. Let's look at these example sentences. We go to the beach in summer. Does it snow here in winter? There are many flowers in spring. We use the preposition in with a period of time. We say in 6 hours, in 2 days, in 3 weeks, in 5 years. In plus a time period can refer to a point of time in the future. It shows a certain length of time that starts now. And usually at the end of that time period, something will happen. If now it is January and I say, I'm going to Japan in 4 months, the point in the future is 4 months from now. This means I will travel in May. Let's look at some examples. The meeting starts in 10 minutes. This means it will start 10 minutes from now. When the 10 minutes have gone by, the meeting will start. She will be here in 3 hours. We're going in a couple of weeks. A couple of weeks means 2 weeks. You can see that we commonly use in with a number and then the time period. In 10 minutes, in 3 hours. For parts of the day, we normally use in. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but we say at night. Be careful, at night, not in the night. For example, I drink coffee in the morning. He goes to the gym in the morning. I study English in the afternoon. She is often tired in the afternoon. We have dinner in the evening. They watch movies in the evening. I like to read in bed at night. You can see the stars at night. When we include a day with a part of the day, we use the preposition on before it. On Sunday evening, on Thursday afternoon. We do not put anything between the day of the week and the part of the day. We say on Wednesday afternoon. We do not say Wednesday in the afternoon. No. Some example sentences. We will have a party on Friday night. Our flight leaves on Monday morning. I have private lessons on Tuesday afternoon. When we talk about the weekend, you may hear at the weekend or on the weekend. What is the difference? At the weekend is used in British English. On the weekend is used in American English. We used to always go to the beach at the weekend. We used to always go to the beach on the weekend.
Okay guys, I think that's all for today. We learned how to use on and in correctly. See you in the next video. Bye bye.